Hey there, this is Kathi from Organized and Energized. And if you're like many entrepreneurs out there, I know how overwhelming it can be. You're juggling countless tasks while doing your best to manage it all. One critical area often slips through the cracks. And guess what it is? Your office. Chaos everywhere, papers piling up, and important documents lost in the mess. Sound familiar? Well, don't worry. I have a solution that can help you regain control. Because guess what? The average entrepreneur wastes 4 hours a week trying to find documents they know they own that they cannot find. So listen, I want to invite you to a free masterclass. It's all about transforming your workspace. In this session, I'll share my proven strategies to help you tackle clutter and create an organized office you'll love. In this masterclass, you'll discover effective methods to eliminate your paper piles once and for all. I'll also teach you simple tips to maintain an organized workspace for increasing your productivity. And you'll learn how to feel energized and focused by creating a clutter-free environment. Because guess what? Less clutter equals more energy. But that's not all. At the end of the masterclass, I'll give you an exclusive opportunity to join my 6-week group coaching program. It's called the Get It Gone Formula. And this is where you can implement everything you've learned and get personalized support from me. Imagine walking into your office and instantly knowing where everything is. Visualize finding any important document you own in up to 30 seconds. It's possible. Picture boosting your productivity and feeling revitalized every single day you work. There is a reason why I call my company Organized and Energized. This is your chance to make it happen. Don't miss out on this opportunity to change your workspace for the better. Click the link below to sign up for the free masterclass and save your seat. So look, gang, let's take this first step together. Register now and let's start transforming your office. I'll see you in the masterclass.